Hello, fifth grade. So I opened up a different video and it was an old video and I wasn't sure if that was the right video. So I opened up a new video. Anyways, all of that is to say, I still have 0 viewers. I'm hoping that someone comes online. Otherwise, Mr. Steven is going to maybe play the Kahoot with me. I'm looking at him. He looks a little nervous. And we're going to see if Mr. Steven can be smarter than a fifth grader. Ooh, we'll do our own version of that super cool TV shows that I'm giving credits so that I don't get in any trouble for copyright infringement or something. I don't know. I got these super cool socks while you're sitting here and I'm waiting for you. These are them. They have guinea pigs on them. They are super awesome. Guinea pigs. Guinea pig, son. And then Truffles may come back. She's off having a drink of water right now. She may come back and try and see if she is smarter than a fifth grader. Not sure that she is. We'll find out though. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get the game started because if I don't, I won't have time to be finished before the sixth graders start. So I'm going to play and I'm going to make this event a video for the fifth graders. Hopefully they will come back and watch. I did find out though that you can actually play Kahoot live on your phone now. So you don't actually have to be connected to me. You can play it on your own, on your phone against the computer, or you can play against your friends, which is super fun. So let me pull up Kahoot. And let me switch this over to sharing the screen share. Application window Kahoot, share. All right, so now you should be able to see this. We're gonna play classic Kahoot, 1 versus 1. If anyone is coming, get your laptop or tablet out now. All right, waiting for players. Ooh, that's loud. Okay, the game pin is 157854. 157854. And Mr. Steven is going to come over here and play because he's kind and loves us. Like right now. Okay, we're getting ready. There are currently no players. Oh, disappointing. Come on, Mr. Steven. He's so amazing. You're going to be so good at this. Let's see here. Pulling up my game pin for Mr. Steven. Any other players going to come join us? I hope so. Let's see here. Any other players going to come and join us? Those that I'm screen sharing. Let's see here. Any viewers? No viewers. Boo hiss. All right, let's see here. There you go. Now I've got the Kahoot up. Mr. Steven is opening up some candy so that he can definitely beat you. Game pin for this game is 157854. And Mr. Steven is going to play. I'm going to give him the nickname of Mr. Steven. Wow, I know. It's so amazing. Okay, go. You're in, Mr. Steven. Woo-woo. Woo-woo. Okay. No naughty nicknames allowed, Mr. Steven. No naughty nicknames allowed. All right. Anybody else going to come play with Mr. Steven? It doesn't look like they are. He's going to be playing this Kahoot all by himself. Here he goes. Mr. Steven, are you ready? Here we go. 24 questions. Too much water can be bad for plants. Why? Is it red? Plants without a raincoat will cry. Blue. Plants can't wear rain boots. Yellow. Roots never grow deeper and the plant will stop growing. Or green. Roots may not hold in the ground, can cause plant to rot.
Say the last two again.
Roots will grow deeper and plant will never stop growing. Or green. Roots may not hold in the ground, can cause plant to rot. Mr. Steven, you need to sit back so you can see the game. All right. Oh, Mr. Steven has 880 points. Woo! All right. Next question, Mr. Steven. Okay, mosses and liverworts are examples of red, bacterial, blue, fungi, yellow, vascular plants, or green, non-vascular plants. Oh, he's giving us the I don't know face. Ooh, he's thinking about it.
Can I Google this?
No, you cannot Google this.
It's going to be one of two, I think. Or maybe one of three.
Good answer, Mr. Steven. Non-vascular plants is the correct answer. Here we go. All right, here we are. How is the kudzu the vine that ate the South? This will not be something Mr. Steven probably knows. Red, it was a slow-growing plant. Blue, it came from Africa. Yellow, it actually ate 4 of the southern states. or green? Climate made it grow long and fast. It covers much of the south. Okay, by process of elimination, because Mr. Stephen never heard of the kudzu, he got the answer correct. But did you? Dun, dun, dun. All right, next question. How will you test if a plant won't grow more after a certain amount of sun? Will you put all the plants in the same sunlight and measure results? Keep all the plants in the dark and measure results? Put one plant in the freezer, one plant in the fridge and measure results? Or two plants with more or less sunlight and measure results after time? Oh, Mr. Steven, no, 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 no. You put the two plants with one with more sunlight, one with less, and you measure what happens to see if there's some difference in how much.
Gotcha.
A single-celled organism without a nucleus is called a red bacterium, blue vascular, yellow root cap, green fungus. Bacterium is correct. Good job, Mr. Steven. He might almost be smarter than a fifth grader. Let's see here. Here we go. Here we go. Getting ready. Which is not a function of stems? Is it red, support, blue, transportation, yellow, food storage, or green, water absorption? Very good, Mr. Steven. It is indeed water absorption. That is the job of the
petals, leaves,
roots.
Whatever. Oh, yes.
Petals, leaves, roots, whatever. Roots. If you touch the leaves of a plant or tree, you are touching its red cortex, blue phloem, yellow epidermis, green xylem. Oh, Mr. Steven, it's the epidermis.
Okay, I figured
its
that's like
epidermis
skin,
is showing. It's also called the epidermis. Yes. All right. Write a hypothesis for an experiment that would test leaves changing color in the fall because of no sun. All right. Red, if a plant gets less light, then its leaves will change color. Blue, if a plant has music playing for it, it will not change color. Yellow, if a plant gets sun, no water, its leaves will change color. Green, if a plant wears earmuffs, it will not change color. Yay! If a plant gets less light, then its leaves will change color. Now, these are obviously abbreviated guesses and answers. Make sure that you read your notes for the full answers expected on your tests. Water and minerals flow up a plant through the red root cap, blue xylem, yellow cortex, or green phloem. All right, xylem. Mr. Steven guessed xylem. Woo! Mr. Xylem. Okay, sunlight, water, minerals, and carbon dioxide, are used by blank to make food. Red, cortex, blue, chloroplasts, yellow, cambium, green, chlorophyll.
Okay, yeah, I thought I was overthinking.
Chloroplast is the correct answer. Oh, Mr. Steven is not chlorophyll. No, no, no.
Yeah, because that's what's produced. Okay, yeah, that's true.
A root's food is stored in the red root cap, blue cambium, yellow phloem, green cortex. Oh, the cortex, Mr. Steven. The root cap just keeps the root safe while it digs into the ground. Next question. Plants that have tissue through which water and food move are blank plants. Vascular, non-vascular, bacterium, or xylem. Vascular is the correct answer. Good job, Mr. Steven. Woo! All right, here we go. How are plants and animal cells alike / different? This is, again, an abbreviated answer. Red, animals have cell wall and chloroplast. Blue, plants don't have cell membranes. Yellows, they have the same structures, but plants have a cell wall and chloroplasts. Or green, animals have vacuoles, plants don't. Yellow is the correct answer. Woo! They are alike because they have the same structures, the same organelles. Ooh, someone else is here with a lot of question marks. Who could this be? Bum, bum, bum. In what kind of climate is a plant with aerial roots likely to grow and why? Red, plants in tundra, they drink frozen water. Blue, plants in the forest, they steal water from squirrels. Yellow, plants in the desert, they store water in their roots. Or green, in a tropical forest, they take moisture from the air and rain. All right. Someone got it correct. It was Mr. Steven. All right. Hopefully the other one is a fifth grader that is learning. Which statement is true? Red, both photosynthesis and respiration store energy. Blue, photosynthesis stores energy, respiration releases energy. Yellow, photosynthesis releases energy and respiration stores it. Or green, both photosynthesis and respiration release energy. Bum, bum, bum. Nobody got it right. Photosynthesis stores energy and respiration releases energy. Let's see here. Two largest groups in the plant kingdom are red, vascular and non-vascular plants, blue, seed plants and seedless plants, yellow, trees and flowering plants, or green, ferns and mosses. Oh, vascular, non-vascular plants. Come on, guys. Vascular, non-vascular plants. I'm curious who this question mark is. Is it a sneaky 6th through 8th grader, or is it indeed a 5th grader? An organism that absorbs food from decaying organisms is a red, bacterium, blue, vascular, yellow, cortex, green, fungus. Oh, guys, fungus. Absorbs food from decaying objects. Fungus. Which statement is true? All protists have only one cell. Cells in every protist do not have a nucleus. All protists have more than one cell. Cells in every protist have a nucleus. Oh, cells in every protist have a nucleus is the correct answer. Oh, man.
I've got to get to 10,000 at least.
All right. The green chemical in plant cells is called red, bacterium, blue, chloroplast, yellow, vascular, green, chlorophyll. Who could it be? What could the other answer be? Chlorophyll is correct. Woo! Good job. All right. Okay, look at you. Got your points. Very nice. All right. A layer of tough cells that protect the tip of a young root is called a red chloroplast, blue root cap, yellow xylem, or green phloem. Mr. Stephen might have giggled.
So she gave me the answer.
His phone's asking, were you too fast? Did you get it wrong? No way to know. What could it possibly be? Root cap is the correct answer. Woo! Root cap. All right. Okay, a couple more questions left. See what we get. Which is not a plant root? Red, carrots. Blue, turnips. Yellow, sweet potatoes. Green, celery. Which is not a root? Mr. Stephen is unsure. See if the person playing against him is ready. Celery. A celery is a stem. Very good. Excellent. All right. Dun, dun, dun. Food flows down from the leaves of a plant through the red chlorophyll, blue bacterium, yellow phloem, or green fungus. It flows down from the leaves of the plant through the... what could it be? What could it be? What could it be? All right, if this is indeed a 5th grader who joined us, or a 6th through 8th grader, phloem is the correct answer. They have updated the Kahoot app, and you are actually going to be able to play Kahoot on your own. So you can actually play this review game on your own against the computer this week, practicing for your test. The part of the root that separates the phloem and the xylem is the blank. Red phloem, blue cambium, yellow root cap, or green xylem. Use your powers of deduction here. We know it's not the root cap. We've already seen that answer. Would it separate the phloem and the xylem from themselves? I don't think so. Which one could it be? Cambium. Very good. Cambium is the correct answer. All right. Let's see here. A couple more questions to go. One question. How would you design an experiment to see how fertilizer affects a plant's growth? Remember that this is a shortened answer. Red, one plant, no water. Sun, just fertilizer. Measure results. Blue, 2 plants, same amount of water and sun, one with fertilizer, one with not in fertilizer, measure results. Yellow, 2 plants, no fertilizer, just water and sun, measure results. Green, 2 plants, both in fertilizer, measure results, no sun or water. 2 plants with the same amount of water and sun with one fertilizer and one not, and measure results. Excellent job. All right, question mark. Good job for giving it a try. I'm not sure who it is with us. Okay, but we're so excited that you were here. I'm going to end that Kahoot now. Thank you so much for playing, Mr. Steven. And I'm going to bring this up live here now. I'm going to get back here to me. Aha, it's me. All right, so I'm not sure who my viewer was, and I don't get to chat on the side, unfortunately. However, as I said, the Kahoot app now offers you to be able to play this on your own on your phone, okay? So if you've got this screen, okay, what you can do is you can come over here to search, and you can search. My name, my screen name on Kahoot is Ms. Pepper Shaker, MSPEPPERSHAEKR, Ms. Pepper Shaker. Okay? And what you do is you enter Ms. Pepper Shaker and you search, and you can find all of my Kahoots. Okay? So you'll see this 5th grade CSA Chapter 1 test review, and you can choose that one. And then you can choose whether or not you're going to play against yourself or whether or not you're going to play against your friends, okay? So you can pick to play against the computer or you can pick to play against your friends. It's gonna be super cool. Bonus questions, okay? If you answer these 2 questions on your test, you will earn bonus points. The first bonus point will be available for this. At the beginning of this video, I held up some socks. On them was an animal. What was that animal? The second question is going to be this. Miss Shea is going somewhere this week, which is why she is not here for your test. Where is she going? I said it in class lots of times. You should know, just in case. It's Jamaica. All right, so have a fantastic week. I hope you do great on your test. Mwah, mwah, mwah. All right, bye.